Today we are discussing how technology impacts the use of standardized recipes. As I mentioned before, some restaurants use technology to help ensure that standardized recipes are prepared correctly. In addition to utilizing technology to show staff the recipes when needed, electronic systems can generate recipes that have been adjusted to prepare a specific number of servings. This prevents any mathematical errors which might be made by an employee attempting to convert the recipe. In addition, recipe management software can automatically update ingredient costs when market prices change. This ensures that the current food cost for each item accurately reflects the current cost of ingredients being used to make that item. Even when technology is used, it is important to consistently evaluate whether standardized recipes are accurate and are being used correctly. Technology can simplify things, but ultimately people are responsible for preparing food, and people are not perfect. Managers must encourage and enforce the use of standardized recipes and the tools surrounding their implementation to have an effective and efficient operation.